Do you know, Nick? The case of many PDORs. The case of many PDORs. Okay? So I'm happy that the person who I believe wants to be a lawyer when he grows up, is that right? The man who wants to be a lawyer when he grows up remembered that particular definition. So that warmed my heart. So many PDORs, kind of complicated calculations. The cumulative stuff won't be that calculationally involved. There are some calculations, but it's not going to be a super huge ABC problem. What else review? What else do we need to review for the cumulative part of the exam? Anything? Budgeting. Follow the directions. Let's talk about this though. What is the first budget prepared, Kylie? What's the first budget prepared in the whole budget? I'm sorry? Oh, that's way down at the last. What's the first thing done in the budget process? Huh? But I want to know the first one first. I have absolutely no idea. Friends, did you help her out? A little bit. It's okay. It's allowed. Sales forecast it is. Kristen, what's done next after the sales forecast? What page are you on? 191. So she can be friends with everyone. And you could too. With everyone. I mean, you've all kind of had to endure this semester together, not just you in the front row. Kylie? Not Kylie, Kristen. Wiley. Operating budgets. There are four parts of the operating budget. Name the first one, Brett. Direct materials, another one. Nicole. Another one, Rebecca. Manufacturing overhead, direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. And what's the last one, Alex? Selling and administrative budget. What's budget number 3, Tyson? Capital expenditures budget. What in the world is a capital expenditure? Tony? Major expense is something that needs to be depreciated or amortized. What is the final step in the budget creation process, Matt? Pro forma what? Pro forma financial statements. What in the world does pro forma mean, Davis? As if. Do you know what language, Jennifer? Latin. As if. Name one financial statement. Because if we're going to prepare the financial statements, we got to know what the financial statements are, don't we, Brandon? What is the first financial statement that you want to kind of pops into mind? Balance sheet. Second one that pops into my mind, but the first one that popped into Brandon's mind. Mike? What's the income statement is the first one that pops into Dr. Fessler's mind. And then the balance sheet is the second one. What's the third one, Matt? But it was a correct answer, Brandon, obviously. Perfectly correct answer that you gave me. Perfectly correct answer that you gave me. Statement of cash flows, and then the really kind of obscure financial statement. Scott? Statement of retained earnings, yes. Statement of retained earnings. It is not generally prepared as part of the budgeting process, but it is one of the 4 financial statements. Or certainly the absolutely least important of the 3 of the others, okay? Whew. Study hard and it comes easy, okay?